All right, let's build a alarm system in less than 5 minutes. Okay, we're gonna try to build the world's fastest alarm system. It's 9:40. So here we go. The first thing we're gonna do is connect the keyboard controller and the keypad controller. We'll connect it to the bottom there. It's connected, and then the black is for ground. Red is for 5 volts, so connect it there. And then these are P0, P1, P2, P3, so we connect it to the label 0 here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that's the keyboard. I think it's working. And then we connect the LCD, which will connect to one of these ports here. So if it powers up, you're ready to go. So we got a LCD and a keyboard. Next thing we need is a like a big alarm. There we go. So connect ground. And we can't power this off one of the IOs because it's I think it's like 130 milliamps the power it takes. So we use a transistor as a transistor to provide power from 5 volts itself. Make 5 volts to the right side. Come on, we don't have all day here. There, and then we need to connect this to one of the I/O pins, which we'll use pin 5. Pin 5. There you go. And then we got a piezo, or the alarm buzzer. And then we just need a door locking system for the door when it goes on and off. So for your doggy door or your main door, whatever it is, alarm system you're making. So connect that one end to 5 volts and then the other one to pin 20. And then this has to connect another one to pin 20 to LED to make it a pull down. So now if it's working, see the LED going on and off. So now we'll load our program from our PC. Now, all right, it's working. Zedomax alarm system. All right, it's 9:43. We got 2 more minutes. All right, let's see if it works. All right, open, closed, open, close. All right, but alarm start is off, so password is 1234. So we go 1234. Alarm start is on. And now when I open the door, all right, alarm's going off. All right, I gotta turn off the alarm.